G'day everyone, Wesley here from Trusted Pest Management, your #1 pest firm in Australia, and we are doing a termite barrier in the amazing suburb of Loganlea. Now I just wanted to show you the process of what we call souping or binding Termidor emulsion to the soil. So you can see here, see this here? Look at that. If you're doing a TZ, this is what you want your soil to look like. It's essentially a mud paste. So obviously this is prior, we inject, and then we soup. Look at that. You tell me how a termite's going to get through that. Anyway, now I don't have a mask on, that's correct. However, I wanted to do this video so I can communicate properly. But listen, Termidor's the best product on the market when it comes to termite management. Use the best, trusted pest. Give us a call.